What do I keep next to my sewing machine, you might ask? When it suddenly occurred to me that I got a organization tool to go from Hobby Lobby, I'm going to look on Amazon to see if there's something similar to it, but I wanted to share it with you because I found it super useful, and it is this nifty little organizer. It's oval shaped and, well, elliptical maybe? Not sure. But anyway, you can put all kinds of tools vertically, and you can put things like scissors, rulers, stilettos, marking tools, little scissors, X-Acto knife, and if you're of a certain age, I even have my fan. Extremely useful, and I think I will buy a couple of more. One for the bathroom to hold little makeup brushes, but really you could store all kinds of things in this, even the bodkin. And for your larger supplies, I got this a couple years ago at, but you kind of find these pretty much at home goods stores. So it does say give thanks, but I keep it out all year long to remind me to give thanks. But it's super useful because it's nice and sturdy, and it is divided into 6 little cubicles. What do I have in here? Let's see. I keep this right next to the sewing machine. So I have a hammer in case you need to hammer something, such as when you're placing hardware in a bag. Magnifying glass that is really dirty. My larger rotary cutters. I almost said rotisserie. Am I hungry or what? Rotary cutter. Lint rollers because I have dogs, and also because there's lint in the sewing room. More rotary cutters. This is great because after I'm done with this video, I'm actually going to be organizing it because it's a shambles. Hand cream, pinking shears, scissors, and every size for fabric, not for fabric. Some of these little spongy doodads that I got from Home Depot. I like to cut them at a point. You'll see it in one of my cleaning videos for the sewing machine, but it's perfect because it attracts lint. So you can really get into the compartment of your sewing machine and clean off the lint. A seam gauge, a calculator because my math skills aren't rocking. Pin cushion. Fraytech. Oh boy. A razor to shear off some of the little balls when you have on fabric, some balling. Measuring tape. Soap shard for marking because this works like chalk. You can use it to mark your lines. All kinds of marking tools, chalk pencils. One of these things that's used for pattern wheel. Must have needed this for a screwdriver for something. A lighter to singe the nylon threads. Another magnifying glass. Seam ripper. Pencil. Another screwdriver. A little notepad. This washi tape. A little roller to smooth down the seams to crease seams if you don't want to press it. A hole puncher. A set of pliers. Another set of pliers. A hole puncher. More pencils. A highlighter. A fabric glue stick. A compass for drawing circle patterns, another little ruler, another compass. Not sure what this is, but anyway, you get the picture. So it looks like this on the inside, and now I get to organize it. All right, so I'm going to start with all the small stuff. And I have an empty Altoids container in which I'm going to put all my needle threaders so I can keep them corralled and actually find them the next time I need it. All my rulers are going to go on this side. I just ran up the stairs. Hey, no judgment, I live at altitude. Ooh, rulers. Rulers. 3 rulers. Pliers. And hole puncher. Rotary cutter. Whoa, that was dangerous. Magnifying. Scissors. The cleaning stuff. Lint rollers. And these little paintbrush things. Put the hammers in with the pliers. Yeah. Seam ripper I'm going to keep in this little thing so I can actually find it. And all the marking tools. The compasses. Compasses. And with magnifying tools. The lighter in the front. Nope, not quite. One of them fits. Where should I put the hand cream? And the rollers. So much better. Thimbles going in with the needle threaders. Pattern doodah tracing wheel is going in with the rotary cutters. The soap I'm going to keep out in this little shell because then I can find it. So much better. Glue. I'm going to put the glue in with my other glues so I can actually find it. Screwdriver, in with the pliers. Washi tape. Maybe in here. Let's see. Oh, didn't that work? Toothbrush holder. Little screwdriver. I'm afraid it'll get lost in here, so I'm going to put it in with the pens. Instead. Trash. So I'm giving thanks because I tidied this with you guys and it was so much more fun that you joined. Okay, vaguely cleaned it off. Now it's ready for storing. There. If you're wondering what I do with this is you can staple seams and the seam allowance to keep your seams lined up when you're making bags. settings, and then you can remove it.